So now, do you have a research group now in Ghana? Do you have postgraduate students? Do you have research equipment? I mean, since you left Canada, have you been able to continue the work you did in Canada, or have you had to shift gears?
For some of them, yes, I've been doing. For others, they are a bit on hibernation. Whilst at Queen's, I also got interested in microwave research. So while my bacteria were growing, I was doing microwave research on the side with another professor. I've still been doing microwave research because that one you just need a microwave and a couple of measuring equipment.
You use a microwave in the kitchen?
Yes, I use a typical domestic microwave. And it works pretty well.
So what are you doing with the microwave oven in your lab?
At the moment, we are trying to find out ways and means of processing materials. It's just basically a heat source.
Right.
So I use it for smelting at times, for calcination, and also to crack minerals, so that we can release the occluded material.
So have you found any interesting results?
Yes, I've been able to use it to calcine in situ manganese carbonate ore. I've been able to use it to increase gravity gold recovery from gold ores.
So what does the microwave do? You know, you put there some material which contains gold and you tap it with microwaves, and what happens?
What happens is that the various minerals absorb microwaves to varying extents. So if maybe you have magnetite here, you have silica there, you have hematite. Magnetite may absorb more microwaves than the silica.
Okay.
So it heats up and then there's differential thermal cracking.
Okay.
So if there is gold inside there, then the gold is released because of the cracking, the micro crack formation.
All right. So you're able to keep work alive.
Yes.
So
in terms of my bio research, at the moment I'm trying to get an inventory of the bioabsorption capabilities of common plants in Ghanaian wetlands. That's what I'm doing in the bio area. And I'm also in environmental. We are looking at arsenic speciation using bauxite and water quality monitoring in boreholes and wells around the Takwa area.
Well, let's move and talk a little bit about the whole field of mineral engineering. What are your dreams for? I mean, your university is a young university, right? It's only about a year old, University of Mines and Technology, right? You used to be head of the Department of Mineral Engineering, and now you are the Dean of Students. As you look to the next year, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 25 years, what are your dreams for this institution? As for Ghana, for West Africa, for the Africa region, for the world, what are some of the challenges that you see? What are some of the exciting things that you see?
At the moment in my dreams, I see a lot of good things. I'm looking forward to the situation where UMAT and the Mineral Engineering Department in particular will become a center of excellence for mineral research in Africa. I'm looking at building bridges with other sister institutions and also industries who have similar ideas, so that we are not going with a cup in hand asking for giveaways, but then we are looking at collaboration. We're looking at partnership. For instance, at the moment, we have a link with Metso Minerals. And Metso Minerals...
Is it a company?
Metso Minerals, yes, it's a company, a worldwide company that sells equipment and technology.
What's the headquarters?
I think it's in Finland.
Okay.
Finland, Sweden, that area. But they have a branch in the US here. And I challenge them to try and use our department as their research arm to reach Africa. They've agreed and we started something. They've donated some equipment to my department and we've now started some joint research. Indeed, beginning next year, we are looking at a UMAT Metso Mining School for Africa. And then we are going to have the first meeting next year. So I'm looking at a situation where UMAT will become a center of excellence for mineral education and research.
So that's good. Now, do you have any words of encouragement for young people? I mean, why should they aspire to come to your department, your university?
As we know, virtually all countries grow by exploiting their mineral resources. not only by shipping out unprocessed material. So we want to mine our resources, that's minerals, and we want to add value to them so that we can use some internally and then export the value-added material, which perhaps can give us more foreign exchange. And whilst doing that, then we can develop our own capabilities to be able to bring about indigenous entrepreneurs. So the reason why I want people to come is that they should come and learn about the minerals, they should learn about how to extract them, they should learn about how to add value to them, so that together we can build a better country.